a beautifully designed luxury modern house in Dehiwala. Let me take you through this amazing property. You are just minutes away from Marine Drive, within walking distance to supermarkets, cafes and your all daily amenities. This 4,000 plus square feet property comes with spacious bedrooms, bathrooms, separate maid quarters, fully equipped kitchens and also a large garage area. And one of the main key element of this property is that this comes with your own private elevator. After going through this exclusive property tour, if you want to make this home, contact 73 Avenue. We look forward to hosting you. See you again with another exclusive property. I am Brian. Hope to see you again. Goodbye for now.